How do you add a user code on the ePad O2 wireless keypad that will let you use both the left and right channels? Let us show you how to add a user access code. Press and hold the 0 button for 3 seconds. Buzzer beeps once and the LEDs will begin flashing. Type in the programmer's code 1, 2, 3, 4, followed by the left arrow key. 2 beeps and LEDs continue flashing. Type in 1, followed by left arrow key. 1 beep and LEDs change to static on. Type in 3-digit user address, followed by left arrow key. 1 beep, LEDs flash once. Type in new user access code, followed by left arrow key. 1 beep, LEDs flash once. Type in 3, followed by the left arrow key. 1 beep, LEDs flash once. Type in right arrow or wait 20 seconds to exit programming.